of students is seen surrounding some fight which is taking place in the lobby.
Stop it, Vinay.
What are you doing?
He's bleeding. You'll get expelled.
Stop it, stop it.
Teacher enters the scene and breaks up the fight.
Both of you, take him to the medical room. And you, young man, come with me.
He is definitely going to get a notice in the calendar.
He is always so angry.
He just needs an excuse to blow a fuse.
All of you, back to class. Stop gossiping. Instead of giving you a lecture, let me tell you a story about a close friend of mine.
My friend had a very bad temper and would get into arguments and fights practically every day. His father didn't know what to do till one day he got an idea.
He gave his son a bag of nails and told him that every time he lost his temper, he must hammer a nail into the wooden plank. The first day, the boy had driven 37 nails into the wooden plank.
Over the next few weeks, as he learned to control his anger, the number of nails hammered daily gradually dwindled down. He discovered it was easier to hold his temper than to drive those nails into the wooden plank.
Finally, the day came when the boy didn't lose his temper at all. He told his father about it, and the father suggested that the boy now pull out one nail for each day that he was able to hold his temper.
The day passed, and the young boy was finally able to tell his father that all the nails were gone.
The father took the wooden plank from his son's hand and told him,
You have done well, my son, but look at the holes in the wooden plank.
The wooden plank will never be the same. When you say things in anger, they leave a scar just like this one. You can put a knife in a man and draw it out. It won't matter how many times you say, I'm sorry. The wound will always be there.
That's all for today, students. Take an example from this story and learn to control your anger.
Vinay follows the teacher out of the class.
Sir, did your friend manage to control his temper? Is there hope for me?
Vinay, that boy was me. If I can control it, so can you. There's always hope.